Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. In this session, before we proceeding with the MEP modeling, so we're going to complete some of the outstanding furniture like the built-in kitchen cabinets and then the countertop for the toilets. Okay, so first of all, we're going to model the kitchen cabinet here. So there are people asking where to download your kitchen carcass families. Okay, so normally whatever we have downloaded from the websites or external websites online will normally not suit to our needs. Okay, so most probably end up you will need to model it from scratch. So we will demonstrate to you how to model the kitchen cabinet family. Okay, so first of all, give some dimension here by using a dimension tool, taking some general dimension for our kitchen cabinets. Okay, so this is an L-shaped cabinet. Most likely here will be the refrigerator, and then your kitchen countertop is here, and then your sink key will be somewhere over here. Okay, then this is 4050, this is 1600, and then next one, the most important, is our height of the cabinet. So let's check the height available here before we end up to the soffit of the ceiling. Okay, so it is 2600. Then we can start to model our kitchen cabinet family by going to new family. Then we can start with generic model. Then after we start with the generic model, we can always assign it to the family categories under the furniture family. Okay, or you can do it now. Just click it here. It's under furniture. Then click OK. Then when you click on this family editor, you will go into a different user interface. So these are the user interface tools that allow you to model the 3D geometry of your families. Okay, we start with extrusion, or we're going to create some guideline for this layout of the furniture. We have 4050 mm of the total cabinet length, and then we will have a L shape of 1600. We just use the line tools to place some guideline over here. Okay, so normally the width of the depth of the cabinet will be 600 mm. Similar to here, you can click on key in LI for the shortcut key for your detail line, and then we draw 600 depth of your cabinet over here. Then you draw it here to here. So this is the guideline for you to draw your cabinets. Okay, and you can always tap here and then move everything to the reference line. Then you can start to draw your cabinet. Then we will start with the field extrusion first, or the kitchen countertop first, the top, cabinet top. Okay, so this will be the cabinet top. Normally it's we are using 30 mm thickness of your kitchen countertop. Just click OK, done. So it will be your countertop, either is built by quartz or solid surface. Then you need to go to the front view to raise up your kitchen countertop. Okay, so the standards of the kitchen countertops you can always find online, whichever suit your needs. So, okay, so I'm going to pick this 850 mm for the height of the countertop. Okay, then I'm going to end up with 850 mm. So if my thickness of the countertop is 30 means it's 30 mm, I'm going to the extrusion start to set up with the extrusion starting value of 820. Okay, so I will have a 30 mm thickness over here. Okay, so this is my countertop. From the 3D view, we can see our countertop here. So then we can start to model our cabinet. Okay, the cabinet carcass. Okay, first of all, we're going to create some extrusion here for our base, cabinet base skirting. Okay, I'm going to create something like this for the base. And then this partition will be the fridge, so I'm going to leave some space for the fridge, more, maybe 900 mm. 800 mm should be sufficient, okay, for this small family. Okay, so this compartment is for the refrigerator. Then click finish. Then this is the cabinet base. What I'm modeling is this cabinet base over here. Then it will be around 75 mm. So this is the base. Okay, the countertop will be stopped somewhere here because this compartment is for the refrigerator. Okay, so we're going to edit this. Okay, just pull the countertop to recess in, allow the space for the refrigerator. Okay, so come back here, we start to model our carcass, which is the cabinet. So I'm going to, the standard size normally we are looking at 600 mm. Okay, this is the first one. Then I'm going to recess a bit, about 30 mm for my cover leaf. Okay, so click finish to finish our first extrusion. Then we raise it up to here. So this is my first carcass. Then of course the base I'm going to be recessed in again. So edit extrusion. So I'm going to recess in until here. Okay, so the second one, I'm going to create another second one here. Then the third one, and the fourth one, fifth. Then there's a small compartment here. So until here. Then another blank compartment here for the corner. And then another small compartment here for this cabinet over here. Also we need to copy it here, paste to here, then move it to here. Then remember to size our base, cabinet base. Of course, we need to recess in another 30 mm. So just edit this, recess in 30 mm. Okay, that's all. Then next one is the base. Okay, this is the base. So move it back here. Then finish. Go to the 3D view to check. So this is the bottom part of your kitchen cabinet. Okay. And then this small part that cannot finish, then going to be a small infill here to finish your cabinet here. Then so this is the one. next I'm going to model the fridge compartment here. Of course, we need extrusion again. Going to have a small extrusion like 30 mm. Then the height will be 2600 because we know our ceiling height maximum is 2600. And then we have another extrusion over here. Just copy it here, place to here, finish. Then, so this is the compartment of your refrigerator. And then, next one, go to the front view again. Or I'm go to the reference level. So the front view of the cabinet actually is from here, which is the back view of this kitchen cabinet model. Okay, so then you can start to model your door leaf, your cabinet leaf. Let's say this is a single compartment. Okay, then offset in another 5 mm or 10 mm. Just make sure copy is unchecked. When you uncheck the copy, you will offset the whole line. If you not uncheck the copy, then you will create another copy of the line. Okay, so this is not what we want, so we just need it to be offset. Okay, then finish this one, then click finish, go back to the reference level to adjust your extrusion to here, flush with the top of the countertop, flush with the finishing line of the countertop. Okay, so this is the one. If you want it to be inside a bit, then you need to offset it slightly inner. But for this case, we just leave it to be flush. Okay. Then next one, we go back to the back view again to create another one. We just edit extrusion. Just copy this one to here. Continue. Copy. Just copy to here. So of course, if you need some compartment to be a drawer, then you need to just drag it up here. Just copy it, key in tab, and copy this one to here. Just make sure it makes sense. Okay, the dimension. Okay, more slightly will be 200. Just delete this one, make it 200. Okay, just copy another one to here, copy another one to here, then make it bigger drawer here. You can have another drawer here for this small compartment here. Just copy this one, offset it 10 mm. Another set of drawer, just pull it up and just copy this one. Just copy. Then another one to here. Drag this line down here. Okay, so click finish, go to the 3D view to have a look. So this is your cabinet with the drawer, and then for this side we go to reference level again. From the left view, you can see this, you can start to model this part of your cabinet, or go to the left view, just create extrusion Let's create extrusion to cover this place. Offset it to 10 mm here. Finish. Go to the reference level again. Drag this line to here. Let's go to the 3D view. If you want to change to shaded view, you can have a look on this, the outcome of your cabinet. Okay. And go to the front view again. This is the front view or reference level. Then this is how it looks like. And of course, from the back view, now we're going to create the top part of your cabinet. Okay, so this is 2006. It should be the top part of your cabinet before you end up with clashing with the soffit of the ceiling. Then we can just copy your compartment over here, go up to here. Okay, and of course, if you see normally the top part of the cabinets are going to be shorter compared to this countertop. Okay, most likely will be 400 ranging to 400 to 450. Okay, so therefore we need to model another extrusion again. So we set it to be 400. So this is the top part of your cabinet. Go to the back view. So adjust the height. Normally the height of this countertop to here will be ranging about 900. Okay, so what's the top part of the cabinet? It's 1000. So we make it to be 800, should be sufficient. So this is 2600 minus 800. Okay, so this is 1008. And then we measure again this part, 950. Okay, so it's quite standard. Then you can start to copy this one to here. Then of course for this one you can double check it in the 3D view. So this how it looks like. Okay, go back to here again. Make sure you are matched with the bottom part here, or you can just bottom part, or you can just let it be inside a bit. You just copy another one to here. Then make sure you edit the extrusion 450 to be the depth of the cabinets. Okay, then move it to here, finish it over here. Then this one to be butt to here. Then this is your top cabinet. And just make sure when you open this one won't clash with this fridge. Okay. So normally, if you want to avoid it clashing to be with the fridge when you open the door, normally what we do is this you also make it to be 600. Okay, so let's do so. Make it to be 600, which is up to here. Then this one go to here. From 3D view, it will look like this. Okay. Then of course, when you go back to your back view, so this will be your cooking area, or this one will be your cooking area, this will be your washing area. Okay, so let's decide it to be like this. So then this will be your kitchen hood, or this will be a kitchen hood. Okay, let it to be your kitchen hood. Then you need to model something like your equipment, your hood, 100 mm. Just click finish, then raise this up, your cabinet. This will be your hood. Go to the 3D view, make the extrusion correct. Okay, then this will be your washing area. Later we will going to be model some button here, and then your basin, your sinky over here. Okay, next going to be your back view again. Then you copy your, or you just create some extrusion over here. Another extrusion for your cover, 10 mm offset. First one, copy for the second one. Third one, fourth, fifth. Raise it up. Another one. Offset. Let's click finish. Then we go to the reference level to adjust the thickness of your the cover. Okay, so it is this one, like this. And we're going to 3D view. This is your cabinet. Then from the left view, model another extrusion again for this part of the cabinet. Okay, use the offset of 10 mm over here, surrounding. Okay, and it end up like this. Go to the 3D view. So this is your cabinet. Okay, next one, the fridge, the top of the fridge. Go to the left view, model cabinets over here. Align. So make it to be 600. So should be enough. Then your cover lid. I'm going to cut a middle line over here first, or just delete this. Okay, create here, then offset it 10 mm all around. Create another one. Offset 10 mm. Okay, then go to the reference level, adjust the depth. Then this will be your kitchen cabinet. And then next you select this, everything. Use the selection filter here to select only the lines, and then you delete all the lines because they are not necessary anymore. Okay, next one, we're going to assign the material for the kitchen cabinets. Click on this one, then click on here, this small button here, then you can assign your material here. kitchen top. This is the type parameters. Then every part of your extrusion here, select everything, including your covers. Then you click on here, assign it to be cabinet's body. Okay, then this will be your kitchen hood. Click on here. Okay, that's all for this. Of course, for this sink and then your hood, I'm going to insert another family to here later. Okay, so load inside to your file. Just save it. Anything here, cabinet. Kitchen cabinet. Save it. Save the project. Then you place your kitchen cabinets over here to the position, correct position. Okay. So that's how you do this. Then you can go to the 3D view of your house. Lower it down to see your cabinets. So this is your kitchen with your cabinets. Okay, of course, when you want to assign the material to your cabinets, you can always click on here. Then you can start to assign your cabinets to the material parameters. Click on here, cabinet body. Then you can start to assign your wood like this. Cherry wood, teak, and open. Then kitchen hood will be stainless steel. Okay, then kitchen top will be the marble. Okay, we don't have any marble here, then you need to use this here, apply. Okay, then try to click apply. Okay, see what happened. Okay, so okay, now you have assigned your material to here. So this is your kitchen cabinet. When I go to perspective view of your 3D view, so this will be your kitchen cabinets. Okay, so very fast, with a few minutes, you have created your kitchen cabinet, custom made to suit your needs. Okay, of course you can add some detail like the glass screen over here, and then your backsplash. If you don't want to be marble, then you can always create your own material. Just click on here. The marble is not nice, then you can change to anything else. Just click here to browse more material. I'm going to create new material first. Create new material, and then your kitchen top. Then we click on here. Just click some marble. Stone. Fine. Polish white. Okay, we can use this to exchange material of your kitchen top here. Then this is your marble. Okay. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, okay, then to check again, your finishing is something like this. Okay, You can always change the appearance of the material until your satisfaction. Okay, so I think that's all for this session. So next session I'm going to complete the toilets here before we going into the MEP services. Okay, so thanks for watching.